Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Bilt pressure washer wand is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any homeowner looking to tackle tough cleaning jobs around the house, from blasting away grime on driveways and decks to meticulously cleaning siding and outdoor furniture, making it an indispensable asset for maintaining the pristine appearance of your property with remarkable efficiency and power. Number 5. YAMATIC 50-foot pressure washer hose. This is an OEM-grade hose designed as a replacement or extension for most gas and electric pressure washers with M22 fittings. It offers original quality and a convenient length for various cleaning tasks. Constructed with industrial-grade recycled materials and a reinforced braid, this hose is built to withstand up to 3,600 psi for DIY use. Enjoy a long lifespan, especially with electric pressure washers. Made from a unique, high-quality polyvinyl material, this hose resists kinking and bending, ensuring uninterrupted water flow for efficient cleaning. It's easy to manage and returns to its original shape quickly. It features a USA industrial standard M22 thread made of solid brass. These thicker, heavy-duty fittings connect securely to your pressure washer and accessories without shaking or damage. We offer 7/24 customer service for any issues you may encounter. You can also find other pressure washer accessories in our store. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable replacement or extension hose for your existing pressure washer, this is a solid choice. Its kink-resistant design and durable brass fittings ensure a smooth and leak-free experience for tasks like cleaning cars, patios, and driveways. Choose this if you prioritize ease of use and longevity for general home cleaning. What people say. The length is perfect for reaching around the car or driveway without constantly moving the pressure washer, and it feels strong and durable. It connects easily and doesn't leak, which is a big plus. The 50-foot length gives plenty of reach for cleaning the driveway, patio, or car without constantly moving the machine. The brass fittings connect securely and do not leak, and the hose feels thick and sturdy without being too stiff to handle. The water pressure stays consistent, and there are no signs of kinking or bulging under load. It is flexible enough to maneuver around corners or tight spots while still feeling strong. Number 4. Selkie Pressure Washer Extension Wand. Tired of struggling to clean those hard-to-reach places? This extension wand is designed to help you tackle gutters, second-story windows, and more with ease. Featuring innovative 30 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120 degrees curved rod designs, it allows for more convenient cleaning of areas that were previously out of reach. Get into those tight spots effortlessly. Constructed with robust stainless steel and brass fittings, this tool is built to last and can handle up to 4,000 psi. It's engineered for efficiency and long-term use. From driveways and decks to siding and cars, this wand is suitable for a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks. It's the perfect companion for your pressure washer. With multiple straight and curved wand pieces, you can easily adjust the total length up to 8 feet. This allows you to customize your cleaning reach for any specific job. Equipped with 6 different spray nozzle tips, you can select the perfect angle for any cleaning need. Achieve precise results whether you're tackling tough grime or delicate surfaces. What we like. For those hard-to-reach areas like gutters or the second story of your house, this wand is a game-changer. The included curved rods and multiple spray nozzles offer versatility for various cleaning jobs, from siding to roofs. If you need to tackle elevated or awkward cleaning tasks, this extension wand will make the job significantly easier. What people say. The wand is a good length and makes it easy to reach high places. It comes with multiple nozzle tips that offer different spray patterns for various cleaning tasks. The quick connect system for the nozzles is very convenient and saves time. Number 3. YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun Wand with Swivel. Experience effortless cleaning with our pressure washer gun. Its 360-degree swivel inlet rotates freely, preventing hose tangles and making your washing tasks more efficient. This tool comes with 2 stainless steel extension wands. You can easily adjust its length to reach high or low areas, perfect for cleaning cars, pools, windows, and more. Crafted with solid brass and stainless steel components, this pressure washer gun is built for durability and leak resistance. Enjoy a long-lasting and reliable cleaning experience. Designed for comfort, it features a lightweight pull trigger and a shockproof handle. You can hold it for extended periods without fatigue, even during demanding jobs. This comprehensive set includes a swivel quick connector, M22 coupler, and 5 spray nozzle tips. It's perfect for creating thick foam and is compatible with most major pressure washer brands for various cleaning applications. Whether you're cleaning your car, roof, windows, or sidewalks, this pressure washer gun is up to the task. It's suitable for commercial, home, and professional use. What we like. Tired of wrestling with a tangled hose while you clean? This gun and wand combo features a 360-degree swivel inlet that prevents hose tangles, allowing for a much smoother and more efficient cleaning experience. If you value maneuverability and a frustration-free operation for tasks like car detailing or cleaning windows, this is the one to consider. What people say. Good quality wand with a nice quick connector for the hose. Everything fit well and has been functioning well on my 3400 psi 2.9 GPH pressure washer. Perfect wand for a pressure cleaner. The swivel helps with not tangling the hose. The nozzle worked well for power washing the driveway, sidewalk and patio. It fit our old power washer perfectly. Number 2. YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun and Wand Kit. Introducing the YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun and Wand Kit, designed for durability and performance. It's built with reinforced materials to withstand up to 4000 psi, making it perfect for both electric and gas power washers. This kit includes 2 extension wands, allowing you to adjust the length up to 40 inches. It's ideal for a variety of cleaning tasks, from cars and windows to roofs and sidewalks. Experience fatigue-free cleaning with its lightweight pull trigger and shockproof handle. The dual lance design lets you easily adjust the length for optimal reach and comfort. Crafted with quality in mind, it features solid brass fittings and an internal trigger for exceptional durability and leak resistance. This ensures a reliable and long-lasting performance. It comes with M22-14mm and M22-15mm fittings, ensuring compatibility with most M22 thread pressure washer hoses. The universal 1/4 quick connector outlet works with a wide range of accessories to boost your efficiency. We're here to help with any questions or technical issues you may have. Enjoy our 7x24 hours of customer service for peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. If you have a variety of pressure washers or are unsure about your hose fitting, this gun and wand kit offers excellent adaptability with its dual M22 fittings. The flexible extension wands and shockproof handle make it comfortable for extended use on diverse surfaces like roofs, sidewalks, and cars. It's a versatile option for homeowners with different pressure washer setups. What people say. This wand is a great addition to my pressure washer. It has a good reach and makes cleaning the gutters much easier. The different nozzle tips included are very useful for various cleaning tasks, from delicate surfaces to tough grime. It feels sturdy and well built, and the connection to the pressure washer is secure and leak-free. Number 1. YAMATIC 4000 psi Pressure Washer Gun and Hose Kit. Introducing the YAMATIC Pressure Washer Gun and Hose Kit. It's designed for both outdoor cleaning and demanding business washing jobs, offering durability and high performance. Experience ultimate maneuverability with its 360-degree swivel connector. This feature prevents hose kinking, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted cleaning experience. Clean for longer without fatigue. The lightweight, shockproof handle and trigger design provide comfort, even during extended use. This kit includes an adjustable extension wand with a universal quick connect fitting. It's compatible with various spray nozzle tips, foam cannons, and surface cleaners for all your needs. The upgraded steel-braided rubber hose is highly flexible and durable, suitable for both hot and cold water. It makes removing heavy dirt easier and faster in any weather. Enjoy a hassle-free cleaning session thanks to its excellent kink resistance. The high-elasticity material ensures the hose maintains flexibility and resists distortion. What we like. For demanding cleaning jobs or commercial use, this heavy-duty kit with a 50-feet steel-braided rubber hose is built to last. Its all-weather capability and superior kink resistance, combined with a swivel gun, make it ideal for frequent and rigorous use on cars, roofs, and sidewalks. If you need a robust and flexible solution for tough cleaning challenges, this kit delivers. What people say. Works great. Seems to be heavy-duty quality. Works great, much improvement over the standard that came with my Simpson 3600 power shot. Operation of hose, attachments, and wand spray gun gave no issues during use or any other time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.